In this video, I'm going to do few questions for foundation level. First, I'm going to tell you those questions one by one. You can note these questions and try to solve them yourself. If you are not able to do, then see the solution which I have given in this video. This is the first question. The answer of this question is 1. This is the second question. Answer is 1000. This is the third question. In this case also the answer is 1000. This is the fourth question. The answer is m equal to 2 and n equal to 1. The normal way of solving is very lengthy, but you have to think the smart way. This is the fifth question. In this question it is told to us that you have to find when 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 this number to the same number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, when this number is divided by 8, then what is the remainder? This is the sixth question. In this question it is told to us that when a number is divided by 899, then the remainder is 62. You have to find when the same number will be divided by 31, what will be the remainder? Answer is 0. In this question, this equation is given to you, that is this cube plus this cube plus this cube is equal to 3 into this. What is the value of x? The normal way of doing this question will be open these brackets and you will find that you will get a linear equation in x, and from that equation you can get the value of x. But opening the brackets is very lengthy. You have to think the smart way of doing this. In this question you are given 3 triangles with the information as shown. You have to find in which cases perimeter can be found. I am not saying to find the perimeter. I am just asking in which case it is possible to find the perimeter and in which case it is not possible to find the perimeter. In this question, this triangle is given, and in this triangle it is given that AD is equal to DC, that is D is the midpoint of AC. It is also given to you that BE is equal to EC, that is E is the midpoint of BC, that is E is the midpoint of BC, and you have to find the ratio of area of triangle ABE and BDC, that is this triangle and this triangle. The answer is 1, that is the answer is D. D means answer is 1. In this question, ABCD is a parallelogram given to you. The length of the line segment AE is 3. You have to find the length of line segment ED. This angle is equal to this angle, that is angle AEB is equal to DEC. Note that it is clearly given that this figure is not drawn to scale. Now you can pause the video here, try to solve the questions yourself, and if you are not able to do some question, then you can see my solution also. The normal way of doing the calculation and getting the answer is too much difficult, but if you see carefully, you can see very easily this number is 1 less than this and this number is 1 more than this. To simplify it, for the time being, let us suppose that 999814 is equal to x, and the question will reduce to x minus 1 into plus 1 upon x square, that is you will get x square minus 1 plus 1 upon x square, that is x square upon x square, that is equal to 1. In this case if you calculate it in, if you calculate this in a normal way, that will be too much lengthy. But if you see carefully, you can see very easily from this cube and this cube, I get the hint that I suppose 7.846 as A and 2.154 as B. You can see very easily this is B by 2. Hence, you can write the quotient as A cube plus 60 A into B by 2 plus B cube. That is, it is A cube plus 30 AB plus B cube. And now see, it is clear that A plus B is 10. Hence, I can write it as A cube plus 3AB into A plus B plus B cube. This 30 I have written as 3 and 10 here. It is clearly A plus B whole cube and A plus B is 10. That is, I get the answer as 1000. Again, in this case, this cube and this cube give me the hint that I should suppose this as A and this as B, and when A cube minus B cube have come, and I know the formula that A minus B whole cube is A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. Let me see that. Is this question in this form? I have supposed this as A and this as B. That is 31.43 is supposed as A and this is supposed as B. That is 31.43 and B equal to 21.43. And keeping this formula in mind, this is same as this, this is same as this, and let us check that is this same as this, and if it is not same as this, then by adding subtracting something, I will try to bring it in this form. First, see what is the value of A minus B. A minus B is clearly 10. It is easy to see that this is 2A and this is 3B. Hence, this can be written as A cube minus 5 into 2A into 3B minus B cube. That is, I get A cube minus 3AB into 10 minus B cube. That is, it becomes A cube minus 3AB into A minus B minus B cube. Now the question is in formula form. I get A minus B whole cube, that is 10 cube, that is 1000 is the answer. In this question, it is told to us to solve these two linear equations in M and N. That is, you have to find the value of M and N. The normal way of solving it will be too much lengthy. But note the numbers. Here it is 41, 47 and here it is 47, 41. To proceed further, first I add these two equations and then I subtract these equations. If I add these equations, I will get 88 times m minus 88 times n is equal to 88, that is m minus n is equal to 1. And if I subtract these equations, that is I subtract first from second, I will get 6m plus 6n is equal to 18. That is m plus n I will get will be 3. And now it is very easy to solve these equations. By adding these two equations, I will get 2m equal to 4, that is m equal to 2, and hence n will be 1. In this question, it is asked that when this number is divided by 8, what will be the remainder? It's actually very easy. Power 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 means this number will be multiplied by itself this many times. That is, this means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 into 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 and so on up to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 number of times. That is, it is very easy to see that because each number has 0 in the end, therefore it is easy to see that after multiplication the number you will be getting will have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 number of zeros in the end, and here also some number will be there. And because this many zeros are there, and we know that a number is divisible by 8 when the number found by last 3 digits is divisible by 8, and in this case because last 3 digits are 0, 0, 0, hence I can say this whole number will be divisible by 8. And if the question had been what is the remainder when it is divided by 16, just like 8, this is also a concept that when the number found by last 4 digits is divided by 16, then whatever is the remainder, same will be the remainder when this whole number will be divided by 16. And because last 4 digits are 0, 0, 0, 0, that is I can say this number will be divisible by 16, hence this whole number will also be divisible by 16. And this thing can be proceeded further also. Similarly, this is also a concept that when some number is divided by 32 and we have to find the remainder, then that the number found by last 5 digits, when that number is divided by 32, whatever is the remainder, the same will be the remainder when the whole number will be divided by 32. And because last 5 digits are also 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, therefore the number found by last 5 digits will be divisible by 32, hence I can say this whole number will be divisible by 32, and this thing can be proceeded for 64 and 128 etc. also. And in this question it is asked that when a number is divided by 899, then we get the remainder as 62, and we have to find when the same number will be divided by 31, what will be the remainder. It is obvious that the number which is being divided by 899, that number is sure to be in the form of 899 n plus 62, because it is clear that when this is divided by 899, remainder will be 62. And clearly, because it is given that 899 is 29 into 31, therefore we can write it as 29 into 31 into n plus 2 into 31, that is 31 can be taken common, we will get 29n plus 2. Hence the number will be a multiple of 31. Hence I can say that when the number is divided by 31, remainder will be 0. In this question, this equation is given to us and we have to find the value of x. It seems to be a tough question, but actually it is very easy. The only point to be noted is, we know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And if you don't know, remember this thing, that further it can be written as half of a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. You can easily get this result. Just open this bracket and into 1 by 2. After simplifying, you will get this result. And hence it is clear that if a plus b plus c is 0 or a equal to b equal to c, then right hand side will become 0. If a plus b plus c is 0, then also it will be 0. If a equal to b equal to c, in that case this part will become 0. Hence the whole thing will become 0. That is, this equal to 0 is possible only when a plus b plus c is 0 or a equal to b equal to c. You must remember this result. And here it is clearly in the formula form which I have told you just now. If you suppose this as a, this as b, this as c, and this clearly becomes abc, hence it gets the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. And this is possible only if x minus 4 plus x minus 9 plus x minus 8 is 0 or x minus 4 equal to x minus 9 equal to x minus 8. But this is not possible for any value of x. Hence only possibility is this, that is 3x is equal to 21, x equal to 7. Hence you have got the answer. In this question it is asked that in which of these cases it is possible to find the perimeter of triangle. Note that he is not asking the value of perimeter. He is just asking in which case it is possible to find the perimeter. It is clear that in case number 3 it is not possible to find the perimeter, because in case number 3 perimeter can be anything, but in these two cases perimeter is fixed. Why? See, take the first case. If you want to draw this triangle, first of all you will draw a line of length 5, and because this angle is 65 degree, at an angle of 65 degree you will draw a line here, and according to this as 55 degree, you will draw a line at an angle of 55 degree, and wherever these two lines will cut, you will get the third vertex, and in this way you have got a unique triangle by using this information. And unique triangle means the perimeter will be fixed. Similarly, using the same thing here, perimeter is fixed. But in this case, it is just given that this angle is 90 and the length of hypotenuse is there. In this case, infinite number of triangles are possible which have length of hypotenuse as 5 and this angle is 90 degree. How infinite number of triangles are possible? See, if I draw a circle with length of diameter equal to 5, and now you know that angle in a semicircle is always 90. If you take any point on the circle and join them with end point of diameter, you will get a triangle whose this angle is 90 and diameter equal to 5, that is length of hypotenuse is 5. In this case, perimeter will be something. But if I take this triangle, still angle will be 90. But in this case, perimeter will be different. In this case, perimeter will be different. That is, perimeter will go on changing as I move the point on the circle. That is, I can say infinite number of triangles are possible with length of hypotenuse is 5 and angle at the vertex 90. And because infinite number of triangles are possible, therefore perimeter can be anything. Therefore fixed triangle is possible only in first and second case. Hence the correct choice becomes C. In this question it is given that in this figure AD and DC are equal. That is, this is equal to this. BE is equal to EC. That is, BE and EC are equal. That is, I can say the line BD is median, the line AE is also median. And you have to find the ratio of area of triangle ABE and area of triangle BDC. It's very easy because BD is the median, hence I can say area of triangle ABE will be half of area of triangle ABC. Similarly, for BDC, area of triangle BDC will also be half of area of triangle ABC, because we know that every median divide the triangle into two parts of equal area. Hence, area of both of them are equal. Therefore, the ratio becomes 1. Therefore, D becomes the correct choice. Now, in this question, it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram, AE is equal to 3, and these two angles are equal. That is, BEA and CED are equal. We have to find the length of the line segment ED. Note that it is given to us that figure is not drawn to scale, and according to the property of alternate angles, that is, if two lines are parallel and this is the transversal, this angle is always equal to this angle. Keeping this theorem in mind, you can see very easily these two are parallel lines and you can take AE as transversal. Hence, if this angle is x degree, this will also be x degree. Similarly, proceeding in the same way, ED can be taken as transversal for these two parallel lines. Hence, if this angle is x degree, this will also be x degree. And because AE is 3, therefore ED will also become 3 because the triangle is isosceles. Hence, the correct choice becomes D.